As we all know, density is defined as mass upon volume. We will be studying the interrelationship between the volume and mass of a substance. The volume and mass of a substance changes with the change in the state of matter. As we all know, matter is defined as anything that occupies space and has some mass. And the states of matter are solid, liquid, and gaseous. We have these three states of matter depending upon their mass and volume. Now, density of water is defined as a ratio of mass upon volume. We will now see how the density of water is calculated. As I told, density is equal to mass upon volume. Now, you can see the volume in the diagram and the matter, the mass. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Now, mass is measured in grams and volume is measured in cubic centimeters. Density then becomes gram upon cubic centimeter. This is the unit of density. Grams per cubic centimeter is the unit of density. If we take the mass in kgs and volume in meters, it is going to be kg cubic meter. But since we are studying for 7th standard syllabus, density will be grams cubic centimeter. Now we will calculate the density of water. If mass of 1 liter of water is 1 kilogram, that means if 1 liter, that is the volume, and the mass of water is 1 kg, then what is the density of water? As we know, density is mass upon volume. 1 kilogram of water is equal to 1000 gram. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic meters. Now you will see density is mass upon volume. Hence, grams per cubic centimeter, the unit will be written as 1000 gram upon 1000 cubic centimeter, which gives you 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Hence, if the mass of 1 liter of water is 1 kilogram, then density of water is 1 gram per cc, that is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. This is the density of water which you have to remember. Now, density of water, just think, will the mass of water change when its state changes during the transformation of liquid water into ice? Transformation is the change of state. That means from liquid to solid. While doing so, will the mass of the liquid change? Is the question. Now the answer. You can see that the liquid freezes to ice. No mass of water will not change when its state changes during the transformation of liquid water into ice. What happens is the liquid becomes solid. The volume increases but the mass does not. So, mass of water will not change if there is transformation of liquid water into ice. Now, just pay attention. Anomalous behavior of water. The word anomalous indicates abnormal behavior of water. Abnormal meaning which is not normal. For normal states of matter, usually when the temperature of a substance is lowered meaning reduced or cooled, its density increases. If the density increases, the mass will also increase, and that state of matter, because density increases, mass increases, it sinks to the bottom. and the volume decreases. As we have seen, density is mass upon volume. If density increases, mass increases. If density increases, volume decreases. But water is an exception to this rule. Water does not behave this normal rule. It does not follow this normal rule. It behaves abnormally. And this behavior of water is called anomalous behavior of water. Just listen to this activity carefully. Keep a glass full of water in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. Then take it out and observe it carefully. From which part of glass does the water first start freezing? Water starts freezing from the upper surface, of the glass. What happens is the upper surface cools first. The density of water is peculiar. What we are studying is anomalous behavior of water. That is, water behaves abnormal. That means it does not follow the normal role which the other state of matter does. The density of water is peculiar. When water at normal temperature starts cooling, its density increases like the other liquids. But since we are studying anomalous behavior of water, however, if its temperature falls 4 degrees Celsius, its density starts decreasing. At 4 degrees Celsius, water starts behaving abnormally. It shows its anomalous behavior. That is, at 4 degrees Celsius, below 4 degrees Celsius, its density starts decreasing. Since density decreases, the mass will also decrease, but the volume increases. This means that the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. That means when the temperature is 4 degrees Celsius, that is the highest, denser, heavier mass of water at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases. Density decreases, that means mass decreases, but volume increases. It means that water expands. What is it? Expands. The molecules start moving away when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. This is called the anomalous behavior of water. You can see how in the diagram the temperatures are given and how the water behaves, shows its abnormal behavior. This picture shows how in the cold region where ice is formed, below the ice you will see the level of water. Above there is a coating of ice and below you will see water, and in this water, under the water, you will see a normal survival life. That is the 4 degrees Celsius. This anomalous behavior of water maintains a temperature under the ice, because of which the survival of those aquatic region is possible. Density increases at 4 degrees Celsius. That means mass will also increase, but the volume decreases. So now we understand that this anomalous behavior of water is used as an adaptation, as a mode of survival for those animals, for those plants which live and survive in the cold region. we have seen that adaptation is the adjustment to the surrounding. Nature has given a quality to the water, to the behavior of water, where normal liquids behave differently, follow a normal rule. Water shows its abnormal behavior, especially at 4 degrees Celsius, and at 4 degrees Celsius, it gives a favorable temperature for the living organisms under the sea in this cold climate to survive and adjust to this. Hence, anomalous behavior of water plays a very important role in adaptation of the cold region. To the organisms of the cold region, it plays a very important role.